Hi, I'm Andrea from the Sapphire Theater Company, and this is our cocktail of the week this week. It is the Manhatten. Now, I'll be drinking this Thursday night at the Open Mic Night for our virtual stage at 7 p.m. Please join us if you would. Now, in the before Corona, the BC, this is a special occasion drink that I would enjoy before a special dinner with my partner, or maybe when I was out with my friends at a fancy bar. And I mentioned last week that I kind of think of our Thursday virtual open mic night as sort of a special occasion. So I've got my sundress on, I've got some lip gloss on, and I'm going to make my twist on a Manhattan. So the first thing I have is 2 prepared cocktail glasses. I chilled those and they have a big piece of ice in them. I have a cocktail shaker with some ice already in it. I have whiskey. Now the main ingredient of a Manhattan is normally rye whiskey, but like I said, this is to my tastes, so I'm using this last bit of Kentucky straight bourbon whiskey that I happen to have on hand. And I'm using sweet vermouth. It is red, unlike dry vermouth, which comes, it's white and it has a green lid usually. I also have orange flavored bitters here and cherries. Now, to make the Manhattan, I'm going to pour into my cocktail shaker 2 parts of whiskey. And I like a nice generous pour after all. This is what's called a spirit forward cocktail, meaning you can really taste the liquor. All right, and 2 parts of whiskey, 1 part of sweet vermouth. Now, you need 1 dash of bitters for every serving of cocktail. These are pretty generous cocktail servings, so I'm going to be pretty generous with my bitters here. So I'm just going to throw in, let's say, 2, 3, 4 dashes, right? Now, the cherries are for a garnish, so I'm going to spoon a couple of them into each glass. And I'm not too careful about draining them, right? I actually like a little bit of extra cherry juice in my cocktail. And I'm even going to pour a little bit of this maraschino cherry syrup into my cocktail batch. Now I shake it for just a minute, not only to chill it, but to infuse a little bit of water into it, make it a little bit lighter. And then I strain and pour it out into my pre-prepared glasses. Now, talented friends, I would love to see you at our virtual open mic night. Our host, Daniel Martin, will take very good care of you. Be sure to email him and our stage manager, Nick Carpenter, at stcopenmic@gmail.com. We'd love to get you a spot. And for audience members, join me. I'll be wearing a sundress and lip gloss and sipping a Manhattan Thursday night at 7. It'll be live on our Facebook page and our YouTube page. Hope you can join us. That is definitely a sipping cocktail. Cheers.